Hello? Hello?
Can I ask a doubt, sir?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait, we'll move on to the week 8 contents. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
In first 1 hour, I will give you the brief of the week 8 contents, and then we'll move on to the some doubts. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Why there are very few people, like only 32 members? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Coming to
sir.
the week 8. What is week 8 about?
Continuity and limits.
Continued on limits?
Yes, sir.
Limits and derivatives.
Differentiability.
Yeah, the main thing is differentiation. Differentiation. In this, we'll cover topics like we'll look into differentiability. Differentiability is nothing but when the function is said to be differentiable. It's known as differentiability. And then we will move on to the then we will touch on limits. In this especially we will touch L'Hospital's rule. And then next we will touch the tangents and approximations. And finally, we will see the application. One of the main application of differentiation, which is finding critical points and maxima and minima. It is application of differentiation. Clear, everyone? Hello? Did I miss any contents?
Yes, sir.
Did I miss anything?
No, sir.
Then we'll start with the what is differentiability. Can anyone tell what is differentiability? Why we need differentiation?
Sir, to make
Why? Question is like question. Why why we need
To find slope.
differentiation.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, sir, this is very easy, but when we talk about the practical life, when some sailors and just like questions, we stuck in the such a questions.
Yeah, don't worry. Like if your basic concepts are clear, then you can solve those problems. Don't worry. Okay. Look, for suppose I will tell you a example. Like
So to reduce a big thing to a small thing.
Sir,
look. Yeah, hello.
the maxima minima thing is not in week 8. It's in week 9.
It's in week 9.
Yeah.
Stop. Let me check. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Just I will give you a brief on that. Okay. Don't worry.
Please
Yeah.
explain from the
nothing but
basics.
to find the
Yeah, I will explain the basics. Don't worry. I will explain from the basics. Why we need differentiation? For
so
suppose
differentiation helps us to observe the change in something with respect to the change in that function on which it depends, something like
yeah,
that.
yeah. Okay. I will explain this so that everyone will understand. Let us suppose there is a case like a person is traveling with bike like from Chennai to Rameswaram, Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari. In between, there is Madurai. Do the whole stretch, I mean, from Chennai to Kanyakumari is around 837 kilometers, roughly. 837 kilometers. And he traveled in hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
837 kilometers, and he traveled roughly in 9 hours. He completed his ride in 12 hours. Let's suppose in 12 hours. What is the speed? My question is, what is the speed?
837 by 12.
What is the speed? It is very easy. 837 divided by 12. How much it is?
It's very easy.
Close to 70, you can take.
69.7.
Okay, 69.75
69.75.
kilometer per hour.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will increase the complexity. In these 12 hours, he rode his bike. He took a break of 2 hours, like 2 hours for lunch. 2 hours for lunch. Then what is his speed?
83.7.
83.7.
What is his speed? What is his speed? 837 divided by
10.
12 minus 2. 83.7 kilometer per hour. Okay. Does that mean in bike there is speedometer?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you are taking a break of 2 hours. It means 12 plus 2.
No. In this,
Why?
in this 12 hours, he took 2 hours break.
Okay.
Okay.
So, sir,
2 hours
sir, in the
for
whole
lunch.
hello, sir. In the whole
For
journey,
lunch.
hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the whole journey, we are counting the whole hours from one point to another point. So
Yeah.
why-
No, this is like actual speed. Look. This is, I will tell you the difference between all these speeds. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Clear? Till now it is clear?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
If
Yeah.
if you consider this 2 hours also riding time, the speed will be 69.75. If you
Yes.
didn't consider this 2 hours as a, I mean, riding hours, then the speed is 83.7. Now in
Okay,
bike
sir.
there is a speedometer. Does that mean at the at every time? I mean, my question is, at every instance, does the speedometer shows 83.7 kilometer per hour?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then what is this 83.7 kilometer per hour?
It's an average, sir.
Average.
During the
Average.
No.
average.
It's an average speed.
So here 83.7 kilometer per hour is an average speed. So there is something. I was not interested in this average speed. Listen this carefully. I was not interested in this average speed. I hate this average speed because the problem is with, from look, the road from Chennai to Madurai is, yeah, I mean, like, is of average quality. I mean, like, it is not NH. It is service road. Where I can go only 60. I mean, like, the maximum I can go is 60 kilometer per hour. But from Madurai to Kanyakumari, it is like NH, National Highway. So look, the speed from here to here, I mean, like, is different. Yet every instance, listen this carefully. Yet every instance is a keyword. The speed is varying. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So there is something known as instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. That means speed at a particular time period. Speed at a particular time period. Now the fun part begins. Right? Now, okay, based upon the definition, instantaneous speed, it is like speed at a particular time period. Now, what we will do is like we will break this into small number of time steps. Delta t. Oh, no, not like this. First, we will break into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to so on till 120 into, sorry, till 16 to 12 hours. Agree? This is 1 minute time step.
Yes.
1 minute time step. Clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It is 1 minute time step. Listen this carefully. Here there is a time step of 1 minute, which is known as delta t time step. If this delta t becomes 0, delta t tends to 0.
Sir,
That means, hello.
sir,
Yeah.
60 into 7, 12. 12 is a hour.
Yeah, 12 is hours, 12 hours. I converted into minutes, okay? 60
Okay,
is
okay,
minutes, okay?
okay.
Delta t tends to 0. That means when delta t tends to 0, what will happen? These 2 points will meet at a single point. So you will get a instantaneous speed at this point. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a notion of, listen this carefully. When delta t tends to 0, this is the very, very important, topic, this small thing, delta t tends to 0 or delta h tends to 0 is a heart of differentiation. Clear till now? So now
Yes,
in
sir.
mathematical terms, I am defining the infinitesimal. Have you heard this word, infinitesimal? Speed. Listen this carefully. Limit delta t tends to 0 where distance traveled by delta t. This is infinitesimal speed, which infinitesimal means very short, like very short span. Very short span. Clear, everyone? Did you understand the mathematics? Physics behind the max. Hello. Did you
Yes, sir.
understand
Yes.
why delta t tends to 0? Clear till now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear. Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Now my question is like, you guys already know about limits, I think. Hello?
Yes, sir. We know, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. No, there is a connection between limits and differentiation. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So now we'll see now we will learn about when we can say differentiation exists or differentiability. We will learn about that. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir, you are talking about the very high speed, infinite speed on the very high speed, right?
No, not don't. That's why I explained. That's why I told very short span. Infinitesimal means very very short span, in a very small short span. Something like the instantaneous. The better word is instantaneous.
But sir, if you put 0 in denominator tends to 0, then speed become infinite.
Yeah. Look, speed become infinite. That's why delta t tends to 0. It won't go to 0, but it is like maximum amount of speed at that time. Are you getting the point? At that particular time step, like it is a maximum speed obtained at that particular time step. Nothing
Okay,
like
sir.
infinite. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we will look into differentiability of one variable function. One variable function. You already learned. Look, I will explain you with a graph. Now let us take a graph, something like this. Something like this. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Look,
Yes, sir.
I already gave you the notion of what actually differentiation means. Now let us select the 2 points. Okay. It is let this x be a, something like this is a plus h. Agree?
Yes, sir.
This y axis, and this function is f of x. What is the y value of here?
F of A.
H of A.
Hmm?
H of A. H of A or H of A
This
plus
is
H.
f of a, and this is f of a plus h. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then look, the difference between these two is like h. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right.
When this h tend, look, in place of time there is h. When this h tends to 0, what will happen? The difference between these two, like f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h, limit h tends to 0. This is differentiation. Agree? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is like, now my question is like, okay, we have done in a right side way. This is right side. F of a and f of a man. Can you do in a reverse way, like in left hand side? Like the same graph.
F of a minus f of a minus h.
Look, what who will select f here a, and then can
A
you do
minus h.
a minus h?
That's below.
Can you do like this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can do.
This f. Yeah. Then how will be the formula look like? Differentiation.
It is
F of a minus f of a minus h.
upon
A minus
a
f of a minus h upon h.
First, we have to define limit. Limit h tends to 0.
0.
F of
A minus f of a
a
minus
minus f of a minus
F
h
by
by
h.
Okay,
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir. It is very
Clear,
straight.
everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now, for practice, what is the okay? What is the differentiation of sin x at point 0? Options are like
1.
differentiation did not exist. Does not exist. 0, 1, and then -1.
Sir, 1.
1, sir.
Yes, sir. If we do disable sign, it become cos x and
Look,
1.
let
Sir,
us
it is
0 is 1.
And all the three differentiation doesn't exist.
look. There is this option. Differentiation doesn't exist. Why I gave this option? Like, why?
Because LHD and RHD not equal, then which is differentiation.
Yeah, there are for every function. It is like you can say every function doesn't have differentiation. Okay, let
Yes,
us solve this. Like f of x given f of x equal to sin x. Okay, so what we will do? We'll apply this differentiation formula. Limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a by h. Limit h tends to 0. What is f of a plus h? Sin a plus h minus sin a divided by h. Limit h tends to 0. What is the point a? 0. Sin 0 plus h minus sin 0 by h. Sin h minus 0 by h. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. Sin h by h. What is this?
1.
Yeah, 1 is the answer. Clear,
So
everyone?
h tends to 0 or a tends to 0.
H tends to 0. This is h, not a. Okay.
okay, sir. Fine.
Now we will go on to the little bit tricky question, like
Yes, sir.
find the okay. What? Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is or are correct? First question. Mod x is continuous and differentiable. Mod x is only continuous, mod x is continuous and differentiable at every point except 0.
C option, sir.
Mod
Option C.
x is neither continuous nor differentiable.
Sir, it is very easy.
B and C. B and C. Option B and C.
Second and third.
Yes, sir. B and C. Oh no, sir. C only. Sir, C.
B and C.
Sir, it
Hello,
is
look,
only,
first-
not only.
First we will see what is mod x function. Look, mod x function, if it is x, I mean, like it gives x when it is x greater than 0.
Equal to 0.
It will result minus x when x less than 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right,
Hello?
right, sir. Right, sir.
What happens is that, look, we will draw a graph there.
B shaped graph.
It is like for x greater than 0 means at this side. It will go like this. For x less than 0, it is this. Okay. Look, it is continuous. By this graph, you can easily say it is continuous. But whether it is differentiable or not. So option B is correct. I mean, option B is correct. So we have to check differentiability. Look, how will you check differentiability?
Start point.
He asked at 0. Let's apply the differentiability rule, like limit h tends to 0, f of x plus a minus f of x plus h by h. So here what will happen? Look, limit h tends to 0. What will be the f of x plus h? Hello?
Sir, it is
Hello?
0 point something.
Okay, let's apply like this. Mod x plus h minus mod x by h. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, agree?
Yes, sir.
Agree.
No,
Yes, sir.
okay. How will we solve this? Like, how will we solve this? Listen this carefully. Here,
Sir, we can solve
Yeah.
easily.
Yes,
X
sir.
plus
Make
h.
two cases.
X
For
plus-
positive and negative.
X plus h
Yeah.
is positive, so we open the bracket.
look, you have to go for the two possibilities. Look, what happens by this definition? Mod x tends to x when x greater than 0, minus x when x less than 0. For suppose, let us consider like, no, the major problem is with 0. Look, what does a limit says? Look, if you consider left hand side, this is like 0 minus. If you consider right hand side, it is 0 plus. You know this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
0 minus means somewhat less than 0.
Hello, sir.
0 minus means,
Sir, you not specify
hello,
the part.
yeah.
Sir, you not specify a particular point at which you have to find.
0. Hello. I specified when it is 0. Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. And 0 plus means somewhat greater than 0. So look, let us simplify this. We know x equal to 0. That means mod h minus mod h. Sorry, what is this? Minus mod 0 divided by h. Limit h tends to 0, mod h by h. Now we can go to the two possibilities. When h less than 0, when h greater than 0. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I agree. Sir,
H
how
less
h
than
become?
0 means,
Hello, sir. Sir, how h become
yeah,
negative? H is always tending to 0.
yeah, good question. That's why I explained. Look,
From left to right.
are you able to
Sir,
see this? Hello, are you able to see this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I am able to see.
Look, what happens is that here it is not exactly 0. The beauty of limits is like, it is, if you go towards left side, it is not a 0 minus. That means for if it is 0, and if you go in this way, in left side, it is like minus 0.000003, and if you go right side, it is like 0.000003 or 1. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is known as 0 plus, and this is known as 0 minus. Okay, for
Yes,
understanding.
sir.
Did you get this? It
Okay,
is
sir.
0 minus means somewhat very slightly less than 0. Why we consider like this is like, look, I explained in this scenario how time tends to 0. It is like we are matching two time steps, like we are getting close to towards one time step. So we can consider like this.
Yes.
You can go in this way or in that way. Clear till now?
Sir, I
Hello?
understand this. Yes, sir, I understand. But
Yeah.
I not understand this, sir. You write x plus h, right, sir? X plus h, and then there h plus. There is something adding to the x. You have put a x value, and in the
Yeah.
x value, if there is 0, x value is 0. Suppose that x value is 0.
Yeah.
And x plus 0 plus h means we are going in a positive direction, right, sir? So here we open the bracket with a positive sign.
Look. Okay, I got you. But listen this carefully. Don't fix your intention. Whenever h tends to 0 means it can tend to in both directions. It can tend in the left. If it tends in the left hand direction, it is like 0 minus direction. And
Understand,
if it
understand.
tends to
Yes, sir.
right hand direction, it is 0 plus direction. And
Oh,
after that, after 2 minutes, you will get clarity. Okay.
okay, sir. Fine.
Okay. Look, this limit, when it is less than 0, it means minus h.
Minus h.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Minus h divided by h. That means minus 1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this side, h divided by h.
One.
That equal to 1. Look, these both are not equal.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Why
sir.
these are not equal? Minus 1 not equal to 1.
Sir, I have one doubt, but modulus of any negative number is positive, right?
Yes.
Yeah, look. Just I will give you clarity in 2 minutes. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Listen this explanation. Minus 1 is not equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
What is happening here? What is happening here? Why these two are not
So there is a sharp point at x equal to 0.
okay? Then what happened with the sharp point? Why it is creating this much ruckus, this much problem to your brains and my brains?
Sir, due to slope.
Yeah,
It is
that's
not
the good answer.
one slope, sir.
Look. Listen this carefully. When you are approaching in this direction, less than 0, I mean like in this direction, towards this side, what
Negative
happens
slope.
is, extend this. There is just, I mean like at
Obtuse angle.
0,
Negative.
at 0, the slope is somewhat negative slope.
Yes, sir. You are
In
right.
this direction, you're
Acute angle.
going towards this side. It is like positive
Positive
slope.
slope.
Positive
Okay.
slope.
Okay, someone do, I mean, if at all you don't know slope, like, okay, many people think, okay, give me better explanation. Many people are asking that way. So
Acute angle.
listen this. If you want to look, if you want to draw tangent for this curve, I mean for this at x equal to 0, at this point, how many tangents can you draw?
One tangent.
One
Infinite.
tangent.
Infinite.
Mini tangent.
Right.
Okay, one
Sir,
tangent
one
is
tangent.
x-axis. One tangent is x-axis.
Yes,
Now I'm
sir.
drawing another tangent. Listen this carefully. Is this not a tangent?
Tangent.
Is this not a tangent?
Tangent,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes,
not
sir.
a tangent.
Infinite
It
tangent.
is a tangent.
What?
Infinite tangent.
Why? Look, how can, what does a tangent mean? It must be unique.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why these many tangents are coming?
Because
Because
It is
it's
a
not
star.
differentiable at x equal to 0.
Look, what happens, that's the reason why these two limits are not equal. This function is not differentiable at 0. Not differentiable.
So can
at
we say that
0.
if a graph doesn't have a sharp cut, then it is a differentiable function?
Yeah. You can say like this. Okay, clear,
And-
everyone?
More thing,
Sir.
if can a tangent be equal to 0? Means if the tangent is 0, that means it is a x-axis, right? It lies on the x-axis.
Not tangent equal
Parallel
to
to
slope of a
x-axis.
slope of tangent.
Yes,
Slope of
sir.
tangent.
Slope,
Yeah.
slope is 0.
There is
then
there is practical importance with that. Okay, I will discuss that. Don't worry. Okay. Hello, clear till now? Everyone got the
Sir.
idea of?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do anyone have this negative slope or positive slope doubt?
No, sir.
Clear?
No, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Can we move on to the next question? Okay. I
Yes,
want to
sir.
check your understanding. Okay. Okay. Whether the function x power 1/3 is differentiable at 0 or not. I want to check your understanding.
Yes, sir. It is differentiable.
Differentiable.
it is differentiable, sir.
Are you sure?
No, sir. It is not differentiable, sir.
Please explain.
Listen carefully.
No,
Now
sir,
one
no, sir.
condition, left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, means it is not differentiable. Okay.
Sir.
Now listen this carefully. X power 1/3. X plus limit h tends to 0. X plus h whole power 1/3 minus x power 1/3 divided by h. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Put x equal to 0. H power 1/3 minus 0 power 1/3 by h. Limit h is to 0. That implies limit h tends to 0.
H
H
power
power
minus
1/3 minus 1. Limit h tends to 0. H power minus 2/3.
Yes, sir.
That means limit h tends to 0. 1 by h power 2/3. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
No, look, when h tends to 0, this limit becomes
Oh, not defined.
infinity.
Oh, sorry. Not defined.
Sir,
This
what
limit
about
tends to infinity.
hello, sir?
There is
Yes, sir.
yeah. Hello.
What about 1/3?
What is 1/3? 1/3 minus look 1/3 minus 1. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Hello.
Yes, sir, I understand. But if we generally find a differentiation, then 1/3 come outside. Here, there is not come outside 1/3 from power to.
Okay. Okay. We will discuss it later. First, try to understand this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, it is not differentiable at 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Always look at the final answer. Don't compare this. Okay. Always look at the final answer.
Okay, sir.
if I put 0 minus, then I will get minus infinity, and if I put 0 plus, I will get plus infinity. So not differentiable.
No, like there is other rule which is known as this function must give you a finite value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is giving infinity, so it is not differentiable. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello? So this function x power 1 by 3 is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Can we also say that left hand limit and is not equal to right hand limit? That is also reason that it is not differentiable.
No, that is not a reason. Look, left hand limit LL equal to right hand limit is equal to f of at that point, like at that f of a or something. Okay,
The condition for
when these three are equal, then it is known as differentiable.
So
Okay.
if one of them, like if
Then it is,
LHS is not equal to RHS,
if a, yeah, then it is not differentiable. Okay, clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Please.
Hello?
yes, sir. Can you explain how can we calculate LHL and RHL?
0
Okay,
minus 0 plus.
look,
LHD, RHD.
here in this bit. Okay, let's take an example so that
So the direct
Just-
formula is much easier, right, than this formula.
Yes.
I'm not getting. Hello?
Sir, direct formula is better.
Oh,
Direct-
directly applying sign. Okay, that is better in the way. That
What
is
is-
better.
Yes, sir. If we apply
So faster, and
it
it's
is,
more easier.
sir, this formula is for boards.
Yeah, boards and like understanding. Look, if you understand this correctly, then you can solve. Like
Yes, sir. You are right,
that's
sir.
the main thing.
Sir, can you once solve with the formula? This example.
Limit. Okay. Limit
Sir, what about
h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, someone asked how to find. We'll take this mod x example only. Listen this carefully. Mod x plus h minus mod x divided by limit h tends to 0 by h. Hello? Hello?
Fine.
Look, if you take 0 minus, it means g less than like mod h by h. What is the value of 0 minus? Like it is like minus h divided by h that equal to minus 1. And coming to the right hand limit RHL, the same thing, limit h tends to 0 mod x plus h minus mod x divided by h, limit h tends to 0 plus mod h by h equal to h by h that equal to 1. Okay, hello. Someone asked me about how to calculate LHL and RHL.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
But sir,
Yeah.
that is mod x, mod h, right?
Yeah, mod h.
Negative.
Look, h
Then it
tends
should
to
be h, right?
x
In the
equal to
left-hand
0.
side.
Point is x equal to 0.
In the
At
left-hand
x equal
side,
to
it is
0.
mod h, right?
That was my doubt. Like if mod of anything negative should be positive, no?
Yes.
Look, listen this carefully. Okay, just I will give you. Listen this carefully. Mod x function is like x when x greater than 0 minus x less than 0. Okay, you are telling that okay, I want to extend, I want to do it here. Okay, your question is right. Mod h means and by h. Okay, here negative value, mod of negative value is negative. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
And then here at the bottom h tends to minus, it is negative. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Mod of negative is positive divided by negative. What is the final answer? Negative. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Clear? Yeah, did I clear your doubt? Someone said mod h. Look, the only reason why you use this formula directly is like you are converting this mod x into general form. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Here you converted the denominator, like here in this what I explained in this blue color is like I converted the normal one into mod x. Okay,
Yes, sir. Understand.
both are same. Both are same. Did I clear your doubt? Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, please explain for root 2, sir, because root 2 is not at the minus x axis.
Root.
Root 2. Sir, it is not going for minus x. It is only going for positive x. So the LHL is not defined, sir. So what can I do?
Okay, at point root 2, at x equal to root 2.
At point 0, sir.
At point 0, okay. Then 0 minus and 0 plus exist. I mean, like, what is your doubt?
Sir,
I'm not getting you.
Sir, root 2 is not defined for minus x axis. So how can I calculate LHL, sir? Because at root x is not defined for LHL. Its graph is not going for minus x axis.
Okay. You want root x, whether it is differentiable or not at x equal to 0.
Sir, sorry, sir, root 2, sir.
At point root 2.
At
I
point
think at
root
point root 2.
Hello. Just stop.
Sir,
Mod
this
x.
is to find whether the function is differentiable or not or continuous, sir.
Whether differentiable or not. Like,
Okay, sir.
hello. Look. At mod x at point root 2 or root x. What do you want? Hello.
No, sir. Root 2, only root 2 at point 0.
The function is continuous
scroll up
at
a minute?
everywhere except 0. Continuous and differential. Except 0, everywhere continuous.
Okay, sir.
Hello. There might look. How can you find differentiation with root 2? I mean, not getting you.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
he is asking that there is a function root 2.
No, it is not a function. How can you find differentiation?
What
It
if
is
it's not
constant.
continuous at all, right?
Sorry, sir. I tell root x at point 0.
Yeah, root x. Yeah, that's the question. Like that's root x at point 0.
At point 0.
So how will you find this?
Yes, sir. Because LHL is not defined.
Yeah, it is not defined. Like
Not a finite value. Limit is not a finite value.
yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear till now?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
but what about something power mod minus x, like e to the power mod minus x?
look. Okay, for those complex problems, I will tell you the how to do. Okay. Look, e to the
Yes,
power
sir.
mod x. Look, here we will do e power x, e power minus x when x greater than 0, when x less than 0. And the same way, what we will do is like left hand limit, right hand limit. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find left hand limit and right hand limit, and then if both are equal, then you can say differentiable.
Non-differentiable.
So, but how it's going like e to the power mod minus x is e to the power minus x? Why not it is e to the power x?
Look, if x less than 0, look what happens, e power minus, listen this carefully. I will, now I got to know you didn't understand previously. Look, e power x, okay, you are telling mod x is e power x. I will take two examples, x as minus 3 and 3. Agree?
Sir, just one doubt. Because LHL is not equal to RHL, it is not even continuous, right?
Yeah, look, LHL is not equal to RHS, it is not even continuous. Some functions, what happens, it is continuous. Look, mod x is continuous,
but not differentiable.
LHL is not equal to RHL means it is not differentiable for sure. Like it may be continuous. Okay. Hello. continuity you have to check through like graph and you have to find the range and domain. Okay, it is like continuity. What are the points missing? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Look, -3 means e power 3, you know, e cube. Look, listen this carefully. E power minus x by the formula or like by using this table, it is e power minus x. E power minus of -3 that equal to e power 3. Both are same. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you get this? Both are same. If you directly use the mod or if you substitute -3 in e power -3, both are same. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you can use this like for, I mean, like you can convert into normal function, like you can remove the mod, like, okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
And
Clear.
e cube. Did you get this? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Look, now every time is it possible? No, every time
Yes, sir. Every time it become positive.
is it possible to use limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus
Sir.
f of a divided by h? It is very tedious, like it is very tedious. So what we will do is like we will remember some like standard formulas. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Differentiate d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
We will remember some formulas.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
These
sir.
formulas will help, like these will help to find the differentiation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in today's TA session, there was a doubt like e to the power mod x, when x greater than 0, it's an increasing function, and when x less than 0, it's an decreasing function.
Yeah, reverse. Yeah, reverse. Yeah.
I couldn't get that. Can you please explain once again?
Look. Use this one. Hello?
Yes, sir.
You can
Yes,
break the e power mod x into these types, okay?
So, but e to the power minus x is also coming like e to the power x.
Yeah. Look, listen this carefully. Both x and minus x has the same thing. How will the graph look like?
Just like a
It should-
just like a bird.
Just like bird.
Yes, sir.
Does any, I mean, like minus x values also give the, I mean, like positive values? Agree?
Yes, sir.
How, I mean, like, how to explain this?
Sir,
Look. Stop. Let me do this. E power a into e power a. Look, when can you say that the function is different? I mean, like increasing. Increasing function means what?
First derivative, second derivative less than 0.
Function.
F of x1 means greater than.
When
F,
x,
look. F
And-
dash of x is greater than 0
yes, sir.
and f dash of x less than 0. If it is greater than
X
0,
greater
what
than
does
0.
that mean?
The
What
decreasing
does that
function.
mean?
Increasing function.
Increasing function. If it is less than 0, decreasing function.
Decreasing function.
Look, if you do this e power x, like if x is greater than 0, what will happen? E power x only.
Increasing function.
So
Positive, sir.
it is increasing. Look, e power minus x, listen this carefully. If x less than 0, what is the differentiation of this? Minus into e power minus x. Agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agree.
X less than, look, x less than 0. And what happens?
Yes.
Here,
Decreasing.
minus negative value. What is this? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Decreasing.
Clear till now?
Yes, sir, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just don't hurry, like, okay? We will cover all this because I'm going in a flow. What happens, it will disturb others. Like, hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
E power x and minus e power minus x are the differentiation, right?
Yeah, differentiation. Don't worry, don't worry. I just explained. I will explain again, okay? Just for these members, like for them, I explained it. Okay? I will explain it again, don't worry. Like, that's why I didn't explain it. I mean, like, I didn't take a lot of time to explain, okay?
Okay, sir.
What is the next topic? Like, oh, okay, I'm writing formulas now.
Yes, sir. Every formula.
D by dx of ln ax equal to
A by x.
just wait.
A by x.
1 by x.
A by x.
Okay, what is the
1 by ln x.
1 by x.
1 by x. 1
A
by
by
x.
x. A by x.
A
what
by
is the
ln
value?
1 by x.
1 by x.
A 1 by x.
1 by
1 by x into a 1 by x. Okay. Hello.
1 by x.
Will get cancelled, so it's 1 by x.
Yes.
Yeah, 1 by x. Okay. And coming to d by dx of log ax to the base b, that equal to 1 by x into ln b.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
That how, sir?
These are the important. These are the
Transfer
important.
I
What?
didn't get, sir.
Like you can derive it. Like it takes some time. But log ax to the base b is equal to 1 by x into ln b. Okay. You can derive
Yes.
it. Like this can be. I will tell you. I will give you a hint. This can be written as log ax by log b. Agree? Or ln ax by ln b.
Yes, sir. B base
Agree?
change formula.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah. And then we will move on to the important thing, like very, very important. What is the next topic?
Maxima, minima.
Okay, L
Gents
hospital.
and, L hospital.
Look, did you guys get when the function is said to be differentiable? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go to the L hospital load limits. Like.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, there are various rules of differentiability I learned in class 12, and I think there are some questions in graded assignment also.
Yeah, there are. Don't worry. Okay.
So, sir,
Don't worry, but look, these examples will make you. I mean, like, will make you understand. Look, left hand limit equal to right hand limit is equal to f of a. Then the function is said to be differentiable. It is one rule. I mean, like one rule. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello. These are the rules. I mean, they wrote it. I mean, they will write it in a form of. I mean, points. That's all. Nothing more than that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And coming to this L hospital rule, when the function is in the form of like when limit, there are some forms known as undetermined forms or undetermined form. Undetermined forms. What are these undetermined forms? 0, 0, infinite, infinite, 0 by infinity, infinity by 0. These are known as undetermined form. So when you find these forms, like when the function is in these forms, limit of these forms, undetermined form, then you can use this L hospital rule. Use this L hospital rule. What does
These
this
all
rule say?
undetermined forms such as 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity. These are all tending, right?
Yeah, tending like.
Sir, then what is the use of limit if we cannot calculate exactly 0 by 0 form?
Find the approximate value.
Sir,
I'm not getting you. Hello. Just
0 by infinity is I think is not undetermined form. 0 by infinity.
What is undetermined form like?
So these all undetermined forms are always tending. My question is that
No, look. While you are finding the limit, when the limit it goes to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, 0 by infinity or infinity by 0 form, then you can use this, like, okay, hello. Then you can use L'Hospital rule to find the limit.
No, sir. My question is that the function, suppose we are getting in 0 by 0 form, this the 0 by 0 form, these zeros are always tending. This is not exactly 0. My question is
Yes,
that
sir.
if we cannot cannot evaluate the value of exactly 0 by 0 form, then what is the use of limit?
Okay. Look. What happens, there are other ways to look, this is the easiest way, like, look, for suppose x minus 1 into
Sir, can
x
you get my
minus 2.
question?
Yeah, I got you. Just wait.
Yes, sir.
Like,
Okay, sir.
for sin x. Wait. Oh, sorry. Look, limit x tends to 0. If you solve this, like, can you solve this? Look, sin 0 divided by 0. It is 0 by
Sir,
0
this
form.
is 0 by 0 form. And this 0 by 0 form is these zeros are always tending. This is not exactly 0.
Yeah, that's what. Look. Now
Then
there are two ways to solve this. Okay. Look. So what I'm doing, like, okay, just I want to put it here. I don't use L'Hospital rule, and I can solve in one way, like, sin x by x, limit
x is 1.
x tends to 0, sin x by n, limit x tends to 0, 1 by x minus 2. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Can I do like this?
Yes, you can do.
Yeah. What is the value of this?
Minus 1 by 2.
1 and
1 into
minus 1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2.
Okay. There is other way, which is known as L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. This is 0 by 0 form now. So what you can easily find differentiate the numerator and differentiate the denominator. D by dx of sin x divided by d by dx of x minus 2. What is d by dx of sin x? Cos x divided by d by dx of x square minus 2x. Cos x divided by 2x minus 2. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So put limit x tends to 0. Cos 0 divided by 2 into 0 minus 2. Cos 0 1, 0 minus 2. Minus 1 by 2. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Look, there are two ways. You can use L'Hospital rule to find the answer, or you can use the traditional approach. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Did you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
the 0 by infinity is not an indeterminate function.
Just wait. I will check. Just wait for 1 minute.
Yes.
And there are total 7 indeterminate forms.
Yes.
The 0 by infinity is 1 by 0, right? So 0 by 1 by 0
1
is
by
0,
infinity
right?
is indeterminate.
Just
1 by 0.
0 by infinity is 0.
Yeah, right.
Zero by zero, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity,
And
0
0
power
to power
0,
0.
1
0
power
into
infinity, infinity power 0, 0 into infinity. These are 7.
Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry. Correct it. infinity by infinity, and infinity power 0, 0 power 0. Sorry
Zero
for
into
that.
infinity, sir.
Sir, but L hospital can be only used in 0 by 0 and infinity.
Hello.
No.
You can use, but based upon the, I mean, like, you have to look
First,
what
we
happens.
convert 0 by 0 form.
Not like that, but what happens with, you have to apply some log function, or you have to use some, I mean, you have to convert it into 2 divided by
Yes, sir.
numerator and denominator. Then you can use easily. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 power infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Infinity minus infinity. Okay. These are the undetermined form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And we will just solve some examples on an hospital rule. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir, I am facing the problem of joining any meeting of the morning session. In the morning session, there is a sessions in the morning. Sir, I'm not able to. Sir, they not allow me to join the meeting. What is the problem, sir? There.
I don't know. There is nothing like allowing like Gmeet.
And when I joined the, so what should I do at the time when I'm not able to? They will not allow me. What should I do?
No. There is. I mean, there is. I mean, like, no issues. I mean, like, what you're talking about. Like, every time we allow, like,
Sir, there is
Gmeet.
there is a session from 11 to 12, 11 to 1, and I joined at 12:30, but I'm not able. They not allow me to join.
Which
Office
session,
hour,
sir?
office hour session.
Ethics.
Which subject?
I think that was computational thinking. Yes, sir. City. In the morning there is a TA.
Okay,
Did you
solve
join
this.
through the IIT Madras email?
Yeah,
ID?
if you use that, no, I mean, like, I mean, you can directly join. Like, if you use the personal mail ID, then they have to accept. Like, we have to accept.
Sir,
Join.
I always join by the personal ID.
No, then join with this. I mean, like, this
Student mail ID.
student mail as mail.
Very less people join there, so they don't conduct.
Limit extends to 0. E power 2x minus 1 divided by sine 4x. Find the answer. Hello.
Yes, sir, we are finding. It is
1 by 2.
Yes, sir, 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Yeah. If you use L hospital, it is very 2 into e power 2x divided by
1 by
4 into cos 4x equal to 2 by 4 into 1 into 1.
Sir, I did
1 by
another
2.
formula, sir. Sir, e raised
Yeah,
limit
you can use.
limit x
You can
tending to
use.
0,
You can
e raised
use
to
that
x
also.
minus
But
1 by x equal to 1.
okay, then solve this. Limit x tends to infinity, x power 1 by x.
Sir, could you just explain how it is an undefined form? How do we find out?
Look. Substitute infinity. Infinity
E raised to 0.
1 by infinity. Infinity power 0. Look, there are 7 undetermined forms. Infinity power 0 is 1. So use the L hospital rule. Okay. Hello.
Should I take log?
Sir,
Log
can we,
instead of-
sir, can we write by e raised to the power में? Can we write from if we take e raised to power, then we just minus 1 by the help of that formula. Can we solve it?
Here in this,
And
look,
if we
you can-
take,
look, the easier whenever you find the power, I mean, like in this power form, like the best way is to
logarithm.
I mean, like, yeah, use the logarithm or make this equal to y equal to x power 1 by x, limit x tends to 0. And the second step is like apply log on both sides.
yes, sir.
Log y equal to limit x tends to 0 log x power 1 by x, limit x tends to 0 1 by x log x. Now listen this carefully. Limit x tends to 0 log x by x. So substitute 0 log 0 divided by 0. Log 0 is, what is log 0? Undefined. Divided by 0. Hello?
So the question was limit extending to
Oh, sorry,
infinity.
infinity. Sorry. X tends to infinity. Log infinity divided by infinity. Okay, it is like infinity by infinity form.
Yes, sir.
It is undetermined form.
Sir, we can differentiate.
So use L-Hospital rule.
0 is the
Use L-Hospital rule. That equal to log x by x, 1 by
Zero.
x. Log x differentiation is x and x differentiation is 1. So 1 by x. Apply limit. Limit x tends to infinity. So 1 by infinity. That equal to 0. Listen this carefully. Now y equal to 0. Listen this carefully. Log y equal to 0, not y. Log y equal to 0. Agree?
yes, sir. Log y.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we need y value.
Y equal to 1.
Y equal to 0 or 10 power 0.
Yes, sir. 1 is the correct one.
That equal to y equal to 1. Agree?
Yes, sir. I agree.
So therefore, limit x tends to infinity, x power 1 by x is equal to 1. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear, everyone? Should I explain it again?
No, sir.
Clear.
Go for the next.
And then what will we do?
Maxima, minima.
Yeah, no, I will explain that.
No, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tangent,
Yeah.
normal.
Just can you scroll up? E power 2x minus 1 by sine 4x. How do we know that it is an
Okay.
undefined form?
Look,
0 by
e
0.
power 0 minus 1 sine 0. 1 minus 1 divided by
Yes.
0. 0 by 0. It is undetermined form. Okay. Use
Yes.
L-Hospital.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll move on to the next topic. What is the next topic?
Approximation.
Tangent.
Tangent.
Tangents and approximation. Well, I mean, I think you know what is tangent.
No.
What is tangent?
A line touching a curve at a particular point.
At only a particular point. Okay.
Yes, sir. A single line.
Yeah. Tangent. Look, for suppose this is a curve. If you want to draw a tangent at this point,
It gives a direction of the at that point.
it should only touch at that point. Nothing more than that.
No, sir,
Then
but
this
for a line. For a line, the tangent is the same line, so it is touching everywhere.
Yeah. For a line, tangent is like,
line.
but for a curve, it should only touch at
For
one
a
point.
curve,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Look. Now coming to this, what is the use of tangent? Look.
To
Okay,
find the
why we
slope,
need
sir.
to find?
It
Why?
tells the direction in which the curve moves.
Why
Direction.
should find the
Curve is an increment or
tangent?
decrement? Increment or decrement curve? Increasing or
Okay.
decreasing?
Okay.
To find the slope, but that
Look,
slope.
the main issue, I mean, like the main importance of this tangent is like direction. Direction, whether it is increasing or decreasing, And coming to, there are something known as critical points. You can find critical points and something. The other things are like, okay, these two are discussed in the course. We'll stick to these two. No, okay. Does I mean, like someone said, when there is a sharp point, then
There's not
you can't differentiate at this sharp point.
Yes, sir.
Can't differentiate at this sharp point. I also told you other reason. There are many tangents. There are many tangents at this point. Like that's the problem. So these tangents are creating problem. I mean, like these tangents are telling you when a function can be differentiable or not. The slope of tangent. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So how will you find the tangent? My question is, how will you find the tangent?
Differentiate.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hit the
Hello?
curve
Yeah.
and find the slope.
Sir, if a curve itself a straight line, then what is the tangent?
That same line, sir.
Look, listen this carefully. Generally, we won't, I mean, like describe tangent. We won't use the word tangent for a straight line. I will tell you the reason why. Because tangent are drawn at a particular point, and then what happens? Line, this particular point, already line has a slope. Look, if you know the slope of line, you can know the, I mean, slope or direction at any point. Agree?
Yes,
For
sir.
suppose it is like slope is 1/2. If you find the slope at this point 3,2 or 4,3, the slope will be 1/2 only. But when you take a curve, something like this, if you want to find the slope at this point 3,2, and here the point is like 4,1, sorry 5, look, there is a drastical change. Like look at this, tangent is like this and the tangent is like this. Hello.
So, sir, there is no significance of tangent in a straight line?
No, I mean like practical, very little significance, like very compared to this, because with the slope of the line you can find the direction. But look here, listen this carefully. Here the direction, look at 3,2, the direction is in terms of decreasing. Coming to this, like when you find this at this point, if you draw tangent, something like this, it is in the increasing direction. From this point, it is increasing direction. Look, you can find the direction. You read in polynomials, you discussed about turning points. Did you remember this? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The whole turning point scenario is based upon this only. Based upon this, I mean like
tangents.
These tangents only. Okay. Now we will move on to how will you find the tangent. First thing, like there is one direct formula, but I won't discuss this direct formula. I will discuss the steps, like how to find. I will tell you steps to find the tangent line equation. Step 1. Find the differentiation. Find the differentiation of the function f of x at that particular point. Step 2. Using the slope. Step 2. Slope of tangent is equal to d by dx of function f of x at x comma that particular point. Step 3. Use slope point form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Final step. Now I will explain with an example. For suppose example. X power 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x plus 3. Find the tangent at x equal to 0. Hello.
4.
Find the I want tangent equation.
The point
At x equal to 0.
the y coordinate. Sorry.
Look, step 1. Find
Sir, y,
the differentiation.
sir, y equals to 4x plus 4.
dy by dx
Y
equal
equal to 4x plus
Look,
3.
I'm solving. Don't worry. I'm solving now. Just
Can you please go?
4x cube plus 9x square
Sir,
plus
can you
4.
please go?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
dy by dx difference is equal to 4x cube plus 9x square plus 4. Now, step 2.
0.
Slope is equal to dy by dx at that point, x equal to 0. Substitute 0 cube plus 9 into 0 plus 4. That equal to 0 plus 0 plus 4. That equal to slope equal to 4. Step 3. Line intercept form. Sorry, slope intercept form. Slope on point form. Slope m equal to 4. But for point you need x comma y. You only have x. How will you find y?
X value in the
0 and first equation.
Get y.
So y equal to 3.
3.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
use slope point form. M into x minus x1 equal to y minus y1. 4 into x minus 0 equal to y minus 3. Y equal to 4x plus 3. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Hello.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, slope is minus 2.
No, 4. Hello. Not minus 4.
No, sir, I'm saying like how did the y coordinate be?
Okay, it is very easy. Look, y equal to x power 4 plus 3x square plus 4x plus 3. X equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 0 and find y value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now find the slope of, find the tangent of function of f of x is equal to 3x cube plus 4x plus 1.
No, sir, the steps which are written above.
Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
At 0, 1.
Y equal to 4x plus 1.
Yes.
What is the f of f? I mean, dy by dx is equal to 9x square plus 4. It's equal to 0. M equal to 4. Now step 2. Sorry, step 3. Slow point form. Slow point form. M into x minus x1 equal to y minus y1. 4 into x minus 0 equal to y minus 1. 4x plus 1 equal to y. Okay, clear till now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now we will move on to the next, like
Approximation.
yeah. Okay, before going to the approximation, I want to, okay, so do you know how to find e power 3x square plus 1?
Yes,
Find
sir.
dy by dx.
6 e power 3x square plus 1.
Are you sure?
Chain rule. Chain. Yes, sir.
Look, listen this carefully.
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir, 6x into e to the power 3x plus 1.
6x e power.
Listen this carefully. This is known as chain rule. Use chain rule. What happens, you know? Look, e power, consider this as like, there is x function in this power also. So what we have to do is like e power, we know d by dx of e power x equal to e power x. So we will write e power 3x square plus 1. And whatever be in the top of this, put dy by dx of 3x square plus 1. Okay, hello? Hello, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
E power 3x square plus 1 d by dx of, so d by dx of 3x square plus d by dx of 1. E power 3x square plus 1. So d by dx is like 6x plus 0. 6x into e power 3x square plus 1. Clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now, I will give you other example. E power, not e. Find this. dy by dx. A little bit complex, but try this.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Look, listen this carefully. I am solving it. Look here, dy by dx is equal to, firstly, this dy by dx, this is in the form of e power x. So it will become e power x. I mean, like, okay, for what I'm doing is like for simplicity, let's consider this capital X equal to 4x cube plus log x plus sin x square. Okay, agree?
Yes.
Y equal to e power capital X. Dy by dx equal to, you know, d by dx of e power x equal to e power x. So e power capital X. Now what happens? Listen this carefully. There is something known as dx by dx. This equal to 1. Okay. What happens? D by dx of e power x equal to e power x into, we have to differentiate this x also. Dx by dx is equal to 1. That's why you only write e power x. Okay. So here it is not capital X divided by dx. Agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Clear everyone? Clear this part? Everyone is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Why I wrote this? Hello?
Explain once again, sir.
Yeah. Look, you know this d by dx of e power x equal to e power x.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Listen this carefully now. What happens? Actually, what happens, you know, d by dx of e power x equal to e power x into, look here, e power x now, there is x. Dx by dx, d by dx of x.
Yes, sir.
So dx by dx is 1. This will become equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
If at all there is e power x square, e power x square into d by dx of x square. Okay, this x square will go here. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So here e power capital X, so e power capital X goes to d capital X by dx. Clear everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So we will expand this capital X, d by dx. So what is capital X? 4x cube plus log x plus sin x square. Now e power capital X divided by d by dx of 4x cube plus d by dx of log x plus d by dx of sin x square. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So e power capital X, this will become 12x square
12x square
plus 1 by x plus, no, you know, sin x, d by dx of sin x equal to cos x. So here in the place of x there is x square. Now remember this, you have to d by dx of x square. You have to do this. Everyone got this? Why I wrote this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Why I wrote this? Because there is chain inside
Instead
x
of
square. Hello?
x square.
Inside it is not x, it is x square. Everyone clear with this? Why I wrote this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now e power, what is capital X? 4x cube plus log x plus sin x square into 12x square plus 1 by x plus 2x cos x square. This is the final answer. Dy by dx. Everyone clear with this?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Now we can go to the linear approximations. What is linear approximation? Linear approximation.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, why
What is linear
not
approximation? Hello?
So linear approximations are like values that are close to but not exactly equal to the value of a function at that particular point.
Approximate value.
Okay, simple. Okay, approximate value. I agree. Okay, why you need linear approximation? Why? Why you need linear approximation?
So everything we cannot find the exact value. So we can find the
Power of
approximate value.
something.
Easy to find approximate value.
Okay.
So finding
Any
the
practical
power of
application?
some
Can
number.
anyone tell practical application?
The power of numbers, sir.
Okay. Power of number. Not like that. Any practical application. Look, listen this carefully. I already explained this in polynomials, I think. You know GPS.
Yes, sir.
GPS stands for Global Position System. Global Positioning System. This is just an approximate, like, I mean, like, this is like very for rough understanding. Generally, GPS won't work in this way. Here, there is a point, X coordinate. There is Y coordinate. Sorry, there is point 1 and point 2. X1, X2. Some, you know, X com. There is coordinate. Look, our F is in this way, in spherical shape. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Roughly in spherical shape. But we measure distance in straight lines. Hello.
Yes, sir. Shortest distance.
There is no. Look here. How will you find? Look, if this is x1, y1, it is x2, y2. What we will do? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It equal to distance d.
Yes, sir.
This will give you the this way. I mean, like this distance, straight line distance, not actual distance. So what we will do is like something known as surveying. We'll break this into very small parts. Like there is x2, this much distance now. We'll make it into x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, x10, y10, x30, y30. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What happens with this small distance? You know, you can consider this as very straight line. You can consider this as straight line. You can consider this as straight line. Consider this as straight line. So what happens indirectly? This curve can be modeled as this curve can be. We can break down this curve into 20 or 30 pieces of straight line. Agree? Like this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is known as linear approximation. Linear approximation. It is not. We are. I mean, like finding the length of curve by just breaking it into small linear parts. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will give you a mathematical feel. How will we do with the use of differentiation? Okay. Now let this be a curve. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Say something, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, this is a point x1, y1. Here, point x2, y2. Now find a slope. I'm drawing with
y2 minus 7 by x2 minus x1.
no. Okay. Okay, tangent is a nice word, not a slope. Okay, I drew tangent. Okay. At x2, y2. Okay, in this way. Something like
35 degrees. Tan 35.
From tangent. Okay, till look. This I can approximate till here. Yes, straight line. Agree?
Yes, sir.
I select x3, y3, and again I will draw tangent from x3, y3. Now I will change color. What I got till some point x, I got x4, y4. Are you getting? I mean, I'm just giving you explanation how you can approach. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is some relation between differentiation, slope of tangent,
dy by dx.
Slope of tangent with straight line approximation, agree?
Yes, sir.
So there is a formula. Can, based upon your, I mean, like your understanding, can anyone tell me the formula?
dy by dx.
Okay, dy by dx, okay, I agree. But look, there is straight line between two certain points. Look, linear approximation. Linear approximation is equal to, remember this, f of a at a particular point, the value at a particular point, plus f dash of a means slope dy by dx into x minus a. This is the linear approximation formula. Have you observed? This is slope. This is y value. If you closely observe this formula, it is like y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here y minus, here y1 can be written as f of a. Slope is dy by dx, and x in x1 it is a. Did you get the notion of this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you able
Yes,
to
sir.
feel the formula? Like this is what I explained.
Yes, sir.
Straight lines. Okay, clear. This is a linear approximation.
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now we will solve some problem. Okay. Linear approximation of f of x equal to e power x cube yet x equal to 1. Hello, are you doing?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
solving the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Y equal to 3ex minus 2e.
Just I will solve it. I just prepared the question now. So we will use this formula. L of x equal to linear approximation. LF something. F of x equal to f of a plus dy by dx into x minus a. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is f of a value? F of x equal to 1 plus dy by dx. We didn't find, so I wrote it dy by x minus 1. F of x. So we need to find dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to d by dx of e power x cube. E power x cube into d by dx of x cube. Agree?
Yes, sir.
E power x cube into 3x square. So dy by dx at x equal to 1.
3.
So e power 1 into 3 into 1 square. 3, okay? Hello. So we will substitute 3 here. L of x is equal to, what is f of 1? E. E plus 3 into x minus 1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. Now I want to make you Just wait for few minutes. I mean, like 1 minute.
Sir, 1 is equal 3 is dy by dx
dy by dx
equal to 3 is sir.
Yeah, 3 x equal to 1 at x equal to 1 3.
But sir, you put
Okay,
only
here
3,
3
sir.
I wrote only 3. Okay, just wait, 3. Okay, can anyone tell me the graph how e power x cube looks like?
E power x cube.
Yeah.
Sir, it's like e to the power x.
It's an odd polynomial, so it will not touch x-axis.
Look, just I will draw. Just wait. It will be like something like this, something like this. Okay, something like this. Look,
Yes, sir.
it is telling that here x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, just the linear approximation is nothing but draw a tangent at x equal to 1. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but it says it's a linear approximation. Okay, I want to just give you the feel, nothing more than that. Okay, clear? It is a tangent equation.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
We are just finding the value of y. This is y value. Just
Basically,
find
you are
the
finding the
tangent
equation of tangent.
And then, but you are in the form of y equal to.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Clear? Did you get this point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give some examples. Suppose this is the question. Tangent equation is given as y equal to 3x plus 2. They gave tangent at a point. Tangent equation at a point 1 comma f of 1 is equal to y equal to 3x plus 2. Find value of f of 1.
5.
This is very easy.
5.
Let me wait
Can you
for
please
other
call
answers. Just wait. Yeah, okay.
So after finding linear approximation, what did you do, sir?
No, I just tried to explain this linear approximation and tangents are same. Look,
Okay, sir.
if you find this is nothing but tangent equation. Look,
Yes, sir.
y minus
Okay,
f of a equal to this. So I just draw a tangent to explain what is linear approximation. Okay.
Sir, I understand how to calculate linear approximation, but I don't understand what is the significance of linear approximation in real life.
Like, look, you can find the length of the curve by modeling it to very small parts,
Yes,
small
sir.
straight lines. This is one
Yes,
application.
sir.
There are many applications. But this is the most useful application, most used. And if you will learn about integration,
Yes,
that
sir.
you will get to know.
Area under
It
the
is,
curve.
yeah, area under the curve. Yeah. Find
Yes,
this.
sir.
Find tangent equation.
Find.
A point. Hello guys, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is correct. Mod x is differentiable except 0. This is correct. Hello?
Yes, sir. Advanced, sir.
I will solve it. Look, what is the slope? Slope equal to
M3.
slope equal to 3. So 3 equal to dy by dx. Agree?
Yes, sir.
How will you find f of 1?
Let's substitute that point in the equation, sir.
Yeah. Look, f of 1 is equal to 3 into. Hello. What is the x value?
1.
1.
Plus 2,
1
5.
plus 2. 3 plus 2
Right.
equal to 5. F of 1 equal to 5. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, do foundation level students have access to this course?
Yeah, I think I don't know I don't know about that, but everyone will have the access to this course, I think. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and then I think these are the week 8 contents.
Yes, sir.
These are the week 8 contents. Yes, there are 5 minutes left. I will try to brief about critical points, maximum and minimum.
First derivative equal to 0.
Just a brief, okay? Look, you can easily remember, but trying to get a feel is like
Excuse
different.
me, sir.
That's why, yeah.
Sir, can you share the notes in the chat box?
Yeah. No, this notes.
Yes, sir. Today's notes.
Today's notes. Okay, I need to upload in Drive on Dyn. Okay. At the end of the lecture, I will do. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're not getting the notes. Previously, I shared notes. In supplementary contents, there will be notes also.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I will do now. I will upload it in Drive and then I will share the Drive link. Okay. Don't worry. And then just I will give you a brief, like brief on critical points. Have you observed any graph, something like this? When you see the top or bottommost point, the one thing you observe in common is like when you draw a tangent,
slope is 0.
It is horizontal.
Yes, sir.
It is horizontal. Look, horizontal lines means slope is equal to 0. So that means dy by dx equal to 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At this point, at this points. So whenever dy by dx is equal to 0 at a particular point, those points are known as critical points. Critical points. Now I got a doubt. Okay. Look, critical points. I am saying critical points are always maximum or minimum. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. But our friend Shantanu said, I mean, like, showed a graph, something like this. This is x cube graph.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what
Yes,
is the
sir.
critical point here?
0.
Zero.
There
Zero
is
is a
no critical point.
No critical point. Increasing function.
No.
Minimum.
No. What is the critical point? My question is very simple. What is the critical point?
0.
So critical point means
There are no critical points.
There is
critical
no
point
critical
means
point.
dy by dx equal to 0. Dx square is equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is a critical point. So 0 comma 0 is critical point. But
Yes,
here it is neither maximum or minimum.
Yes, sir.
X equal to 0 is a critical point. It is neither maximum nor minimum. Agree?
Yes,
So,
sir. So the first definition is wrong, right?
yeah. So this is wrong. Like, listen this carefully.
Yes,
Critical points are always not maximum and minimum. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Everyone got this.
Yes, sir.
What? Okay. What is this 0 known as? Like, this 0 point is, I mean, this when it is neither maximum nor minimum. What is that?
Point of inflection.
Saddle point. Saddle point. When the critical point is neither a maximum nor a minimum. Hello, this is known as
Saddle point.
saddle point. Okay. So now we got to know that x equal to 0. I mean, like, when dy by dx equal to 0. When dy by dx equal to 0, you will know the critical points. Now someone asks you a question. Okay, you got critical point. How can you say it is maximum value or minimum value?
Second derivative.
To find this, you have to do second derivative test. Second derivative test. If f double dash of x is greater than 0, if f double dash of x less than 0, it is known as maximum. If f double dash of x greater than 0, it is known as minimum. Okay. Now I will explain you with an example. 16x cube y equal to 16x cube plus 4x plus 8 at x equal to minus 2. Hello.
Yes, sir.
No, not x equal to minus 2.
Calculation.
Okay, I will make it easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2x cube. So dy by dx equal to 6x square plus 4 x square is equal to minus. Now we have to equal this dy by dx equal to 0. Dy by dx equal to 0. So 6x square plus 4 equal to 0. Just we will put minus here so that or will get easy. 6x square equal to 4, x square equal to 4 by 6, x equal to plus or minus root 4 by 6, x equal to 2 by 2 by root 6 comma minus 2 by root 6. Okay, now do the second derivative test. Second derivative test. Find f double dash of x at x equal to minus 2 forward. F double dash of x is equal to 12x. Agree? Now substitute these values. F double dash of 2 by root 6 equal to 12 into 2 by root 6 is positive value. So this is minimum. And coming to f double dash of minus 2 by root 6. 12 into minus 2 by root 6. It is negative. So maximum. Agree? Hello. Did you get this?
Yes.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I mean, this is how we will find the maximum and minimum. Just I want to give you a brief. There are something, I mean, like, there was something more than this. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
No one has any doubts?
No, sir.
Sir, I have doubt in sequence, limits and sequence, sir.
Limits, okay. Which one?
I mean, sir, I'm not able to understand, sir, what is sequence? I mean, how to understand sequence?
Okay, okay. Just can you wait for 1 minute? I'm
Okay,
doing.
sir.
Yeah. Just wait. I stopped sharing my screen. Just wait for a minute. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just wait. Just.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's the resistance?
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Just I will explain. I'm going to the week. I'll explain what is. I already explained week 6 what is sequence. I'm trying that. Okay. Hello. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is an. Look, n means number of data. Like based upon data, we will get the error n equal to n square plus 5n by 6n square plus 1. Look, when n equal to 1, listen this carefully. Copy this. Hello. When n equal to 1, what will happen? 5 by 7. Agree? N equal to 2. N equal to 2. 6 by 7. Sorry. N equal to 2. Then 14 by 25. You will get something like this. What happens, you know? After some, after some time, for suppose let us take a sequence of 1 by 2 minus 1 by n. 2 minus 1 by n. Look, when n equal to 1,
1
and 1, n equal to 2, 1.5, n equal to 3, n equal to 200, 1.99, n equal to 300.
1.9999.
Okay, it is approaching somewhere like 3, 2, sorry, it is approaching 2. If you increase n value, the maximum you can get is 2. It can't be greater than 2. Are you getting the point? So n approaches to greater and greater value, you are getting a constant value. 2. Constant means a value near to 2. These types of sequences are known as convergent sequences. Convergent sequences. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what happens? So here if you have a maximum data, if n tends to number of data points. If you have maximum data, that means n tends to infinity. If you have infinity data points, when limit n tends to infinity, if you find n square plus 5n by 6n square plus 1, you will get the value of the limit, value where it converges. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Did you get the practical importance of that? Should I explain it further? Hello?
Sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Should I explain it further?
No, sir.
Sir, and
Sir, I have a
divergent.
doubt. Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, in sequences, why we not take the value of n rational numbers?
No, look. You can't look. N you can take rational numbers, but it is not preferred because look, when n is rational, it will be in between these two only. It doesn't make any sense. Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
the point?
Yes, sir.
It will be in between these two. So we won't do that. Like practically, we won't do that.
Yes, sir.
Sequence. We just want to know. Just it is a set of like we only take natural numbers most probably. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt. When I was looking for this continuity of functions, so it was given that 3 rules were there. One was like if f of x is defined. So what do we mean by it is defined, f of x? Like,
look, defined over R. That means f of x, x values of f of x is in the real numbers.
okay.
It is like defined over over a real numbers or natural numbers, something like this. Defined over R means real numbers. Defined over real numbers, something.
So it should not. So I mean, like, infinity will not be considered as defined.
No, I'm not getting you. What is your question like? It is defined, and what did they say? Hello?
Yeah, if the function is defined and if LHLN is equal to RHL and if f of the function is equal to f of a, then it is said to be
Continuous and differential. Yeah, that's all. Like defined in the sense defined over R, something like this.
Okay.
Nothing like that. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt in 7.1 activity question number 10.
7.1.
7.1 question number 10.
Which one? 7.1 question number. Just wait. Question number 10. Can you read out the question? It's loading for me. Hello?
Sir, can we leave?
Can you read out the question? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you read out the question?
Sir, I have a doubt in one question. Find the number of solution in 2x to the power x equal to 2x.
Well, I mean, like, I already solved that question, I think. 2 to the power
2x to the power x.
which I mean like which question is it? Tell me the question again.
Write this question, sir.
Sir, it's a previous year question.
Which two previous year? Just wait.
Which one to use?
Sir, can you solve active question 7.3 question 1? Sir, can you solve activity question 7.3
Just activity question 7.3
question 1?
7.3. Question 1. Consider a function. Hello? Hello? Is that the
Yes.
question?
Yes, sir. This one.
Consider a function. Consider a function f defined over R to R. F of x is equal to x square plus 1. Which of the following options represent the graph of the function? Okay. Oh, there. Look, how will you draw the graph like x comma y and x belongs to R? Look, what is the y value? X comma x square plus 1 and x belongs to R. Agree? Hello.
The screen is not visible.
The screen is not visible.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So can we leave?
Yeah. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave.
Thank you, sir. So good night.
Good night.
Sir, how can we access the notes? Today's notes.
Yeah, I will just share you in the. I will share you in 2 minutes. Okay. Just look.
Sir,
What is the y value? X comma x square plus 1 and x is defined over all the real numbers. Okay. This is one way of representation of graph. What is the other way? The graph of f is subset of real numbers and real numbers. R into R. Hello. Not Z into R. Hello.
Yes.
I'm not getting you. Hello.
How did you get this f is subset of R cross R?
Look. X comma x square plus 1. These are the possible x values. X can take any real value. Agree? And y can return any real value. So that's why R cross R.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, in activity 7.1, question number 10. Hello?
Yeah, just it takes some time
Yes.
to load. Just
Yes,
wait.
sir.
Question number 10. Can you read out the question? F of x equal to mx plus c.
No, sir, in this question, find the correct number of statements. So I have a doubt in statement 4th, gx equals to 1 upon 1 plus e raised to the power x gives a bijection from R to close interval 0, 1 close interval. So his statement is correct or not, and what does it mean?
How to put, I mean, number of statements correct or not? Like,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Four statements given. Sir, I have a doubt in 4th statement.
yeah,
So, sir, statement is to say that the function gx equals to 1 upon 1 plus e raised to the power x gives a bijection from R to close interval of 0, 1 close interval.
We have to check
Hello?
if it is 1,
Yes,
and
sir.
on.
Hello.
Bijection is
yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have read out the question.
Yeah. Okay. Now tell me, I mean, like, what, I mean, like, you are unable to find whether it is, I mean, like,
So could you also solve
bijection or not?
Yes,
Bijection
sir.
or
Yes,
not?
sir. Sir, I
Okay.
don't understand what is the meaning of bijection.
You don't know bijection?
I mean, sir, what the statement says about bijection.
Look, what does a bijection mean?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
What does
sir.
bijection mean?
Yes, sir.
Invertible.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
What is a bijection function? Did you listen the, I mean, like, week 1 to 4? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 to 1.
Sir,
Hello.
So 1 to 1 and subjective
1 to 1.
and or on to.
Yeah.
20 question first.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are
Sir, your
you
voice is not
guys
coming.
there? Just
Yes, sir.
just
We are
wait. Yeah, okay. Look, here, how will you check the bijection?
check if it is 1 and on.
1 and on to.
Okay. Just check 1 and on to.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Just check 1 and on to, and
Yes,
you will
sir.
know. Or you can do one thing. Like, this
Okay,
is
sir.
like a rough approach. Listen this carefully.
Yes, sir.
Did you wonder why this is given in this week 7? My question is, why
Yes,
this
sir.
question is given in week 7?
It is related to differentiability, the continuity, and we can draw the graph through turning point, critical point.
Yeah, do listen this carefully. How the graph look like 1 by 1 e power x? I mean, like, I don't need everywhere. Look, find the differentiation 1 by 1 plus e power x. What is the differentiation of it? D by
Minus
dx
1 by 1 plus e raised to x whole square.
minus 1 by 1 plus e power x whole square into e power x.
Raised to x. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is
Yes,
the
sir.
function. Now listen this carefully. Substitute x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. 0, it will be like 1 minus 1, and x equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 square, 4. Agree? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not 4, 1 plus e whole
Minus
square.
1 by
Agree?
4.
This means these two are like dy by dx is less than 0.
Sir, when x equal to 0, it is minus 1 by 4.
1 by 4. X equal to 1, man. X
No,
equal to
x
1.
equal to
E
0.
by
X equal to 0.
x equal to 0. Okay, sorry.
Minus 1 by 4.
Minus 1 by 4. Okay, is it correct? Yeah.
Yes,
Look, what does this mean? It's a decreasing function. Hello. It's a
Yes,
decreasing
sir.
function. Are you clear about that? So,
Yes, sir.
it's clearly decreasing function. What does that mean? Decreasing function or increasing function mean? Hello.
1.
Yeah.
1
Did
1.
you get this?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
yes, sir.
So by this, that's where the main notion of this question is like applying differentiation for this. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, it's already like 11
Exceeded the
o'clock.
time. Yes, sir.
7.3 question 4, sir.
What is the question?
Activity question 7.3 question 4.
7.3 question 4. Just wait. This is the last question I'm solving. Question 4. Can you read out the question? Let C be a curve on straight line.
Yes, the tangent question.
The curve, look, isn't this? I already explained this, but no issues. Which of the following are correct about the C? We will go through the options. Just wait. L3 is not here. Okay, I didn't put L1, L2, L3, L2, L1. L1 is not a tangent to line C at point P. Is it correct? Option 1 is correct or not?
Wrong, sir.
Wrong. Why? It is clearly a tangent. It is only touching at this point. Hello.
But it's a vertical line, right? Not a horizontal.
Look, so option 1 is wrong. Coming to option 2, L2 is a tangent line to a curve C at point P. No, it is wrong. L2 is also not a, I mean, like tangent.
L1 is a tangent.
Okay.
L1 is the tangent line to the C at P. Yeah, option 3 is correct. None of the above. So, both option 1, but in answers, there is some wrong, I think. L3 is not a tangent. Okay, hello. Yeah.
Option 1 is correct.
Option.
Not
Option.
a tangent.
Yeah. Option. Yeah. Okay. Not a tangent. Option 1 is correct. Because L3 is not a tangent. L3 is not a tangent. L2 is not a. Only L1 is tangent. So 1 and 3 are correct. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
The tangent means it should cut the line at exactly 1 point.
Yeah, it should cut the line at exactly 1 point. Nothing more than that. Okay. You're thinking that okay, L2 is also cutting at exactly this point. But the problem with L2 is like if you extend this line, it will touch some other point. Hello.
Okay. Okay, sir.
And okay. If you extend this
L3.
line, it won't touch. Look. If you extend this L3, it won't touch it anyway. But why it is not a tangent? Hello.
The
My question
perpendicular to the
is
curve, sir.
look.
Not defined.
Listen this carefully. Look, this L3, it have to touch that at 1 point, and what happens is that look, there is a one perpendicular to it. This is known as normal.
Yes, sir.
Which is perpendicular to tangent.
Yes, sir.
So it is known as normal. Okay, clear? Hello.
L3 is normal. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So L3 is normal, which is known as perpendicular to tangent. So it is not a tangent. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm closing the session.
Thank you, sir.
Just wait. I will share the notes. The
Yes,
drive
sir.
link here itself.
I have one question, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, you can ask like if it is small
7.
question like I will solve or
Activity 7.5, question number 7.
just wait. Activity
7.5, question number 7.
just wait. Okay, hello.
Yes,
Activity.
7.5, question number 7.
It is 7.5. Question number 5.
7, sir. There is one graph.
Which of the
M2
following is or true? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Look, I will draw the graph just wait.
Right.
Okay. These are known as discontinuities. I will explain.
Yes.
First option, left limit of x equal to 0 is 0. Look. X equal to 0. It is the point. Left limit. Left side of this side.
Yes. Yes.
Is equal to 0. Okay. It is true. Agree? Hello.
Yes, agree, sir.
And then limit exists at x equal to 1. Listen this carefully now.
Okay.
At x equal to 1.
That's a gem.
Look, here there is a limit exists. Look, listen this. Limit exists. When you can say limit exists.
Nobody.
Hello. When you move from the left side and if move from the right side, it must reach one point. Same point.
LHS, LHS and
LHL.
RH.
But what is happening here? From the left, it is from the right, it is not. I mean, like there is no such thing. There is a jump from here to what is the value from 0.1 or 0.2 to exactly 100. There is a jump. Hello. There is discontinuity. This is not a discontinuity.
Yes, yes.
So second option is wrong. Limit existed x equal to 2. Yes, limit existed x equal to 2 because when you go from the right side, when you go from the left side, you are approaching at the same value. Okay. Hello.
It is touching to x-axis means it is approaching to same value.
Not look. It is going like this. Even though if it didn't touch the x-axis, when you approach from this side, this direction, left-hand direction, and when you approach the right-hand direction at x equal to 2, you will get a same y value.
Okay.
But here, in the case of discontinuity, okay, I will change the color. In this case, when you approach from this direction, value of 1 will be 0.02.
Yes.
Value of 1 will be 100 when you approach from this direction. Hello.
Yeah, got it, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. And then third option is right. And limit exists at x equal to 0. Tell me the answer. Hello.
Gem is there.
A limit exists at x equal to 0. Look, x equal to 0, there are two possibilities, this and this.
Yes.
There is a sudden spike. If you go from this direction, it will be 100. If you go from this direction, it will be 0. So limit does not exist.
Yeah, means f of x is not equal to left. Yes, left hand
limit
and RHS limit not equal to.
Okay, clear? Hello.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Okay, first option is limit left limit exists 0. Okay. Just I will write it. Options left limit exists is correct. Second option at 1 it doesn't exist. Third option is correct. At 2 it exists. At 0 it is wrong. At x equal to 1 by 2. Listen this carefully. X equal to 1 by 2. Limit exists at x equal to 1 by 2, which is 100. Agree?
Yes.
Look, listen this carefully. At x equal to 1 by 2 means here. Hello. So when you approach from left hand or right hand, it is true. Hello. Are you getting this?
Yes, got it, sir.
And last one you can do, which is 0. It is wrong. It is 100 now. Y equal to 100. So last one is wrong. Clear?
Okay, clear, sir. Clear, sir. I have doubt about
Okay.
the 100 point. Okay, got it, sir. Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.